It's easy to create a radar spider chart in Excel. Simply select the data you want to chart, and then go to Insert, and over here under Charts you can go down and choose Radar. And here you can see that we have cold food is our biggest problem with restaurant complaints, and salad not fresh. Now you could also do this with the QI macros. We have a radar and spider chart diagram here. Or perhaps an even better chart for this data might be a Pareto chart. Under the QI macros, which is an add-in for Excel, we have a Pareto chart. And here you can see the cold food and salad not fresh are 70% of the complaints. That might be a better chart than a radar chart. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.